How is she as a cook, Fabian?
You know, just like she has too much power and like she's just breaking stuff.
My roll-oider. Roll-oider.
Right.
In Ireland she's probably used to like carry heavy stuff and so like, but now it's more like...
Sacks of potatoes now.
Well, this was like the first part of the spreadsheet.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was
Are you ready for the station?
Yeah. I don't know if I did it.
What's just a small one?
Well, that's the hair.
Oh my god.
It's just for the show.
Sorry.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I can't believe I just did that. I don't know if I did that. Oh, Fabian did it. Okay, thank God it wasn't.
Did it.
Fabian, it was you. It wasn't me.
Well, we
Thank
got
God.
see it on the camera.